So for today's video, a quick story, yes, a quick background. Is it background check? A quick background about these outfits that I purchased. The shorts, I feel like it's just too short, so I decided that I'm not going to return it, but I'm just going to find a way to restyle these two-piece, and this is what inspired this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to restyle your two-piece and make it more appropriate for summer, make it more chic and stylish on you. Welcome back, my ladies. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So on the screen you all can see the two-piece that I'm talking about. Yes, I really love the pattern, the design. I love the fit, but I just don't really like how the short is short if you get what I mean. Yes, I just feel like it's just too short. Yes, so I decided I'm going to restyle it, and I'm going to show you the reason why some of you might just wanted to return it, or might just want to return it like, oh, I cannot wear this, I'm going to return it. So in today's video, we are going to be elevating the two-piece that you already have in your closet for summer. So in order for us to be able to achieve what we're going for, to elevate these two-piece shorts that we have in our closet already, we are going to have to split them apart. At the end of this video, I did something, a twist. You don't want to miss that. You don't want to miss that particular way that I style it. I brought them back, all right? But for now, we're going to be going with the styling of the top. So the first thing I did, I used another bottom for the top. And look at how I put this together. It looks very, very elegant, very, very feminine and stylish.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait.
And another way that you can elevate your two-piece that you have in your closet already for this summer, I'm talking about two-piece shorts. I want to keep stressing that. Two pieces shorts in your closet. Another way that you can elevate it is by pairing the top with a tailored pant. Don't forget your accessories, because your accessories will go a long way to elevate that look. And this is how I created the second look. I switched up the pants that I had at the first view, at the first presentation. I switch it up with a tailored pants, and I make sure I matched it with my accessories to elevate this look.
Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn.
And I thought about, why not, let's see the way we can style this to the office and, you know, make it look more office appropriate. So in that situation, I switched the bottom up. I paired it with a black skirt, of course a blazer, but this my blazer is kind of a blazing sexy kind of blazer. Yes, because of the lace at the back. That's what I feel like it matches the skirts, because most of the blazers that I own, when I tried them with this skirt, they were just way too long, and I don't want my skirt and my blazer to be the same length. It's not going to look nice, so I chose the particular one. You can use any kind of blazer that you want to use. Now that we are done with the top, you know, I could go on and on and on, but I don't want to prolong this video. And if you're still watching this video up onto this length, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please let me comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. All right, ladies, so now we're going to move to the we are done with the top. We're going to move to the shorts. So what I did, in order for us to balance out, you know, the shorts and balance it out, I went ahead and paired it with a blue top. This shorts, the design, the flower that you all are looking might look like black. They are not black, they're kind of navy blue, but I decided to pair with the navy blue just to go with it. It's really look amazing, and I love the way it turns out. Really, really nice. Chic. It balance out short and a long sleeve instead of short and short that would look like we are all naked or too much skin exposure. So I decided to do this. And for the second look, the top I'm wearing is what I used to pair the second look. You look at it, you'll see it on the screen, the way I paired it up just to look really chic and look very feminine at the same time. This is a lavender color on top of what I had before, and it's really beautiful. I so much love this look. I really love it. What do you all think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And for the final look, I decided to go with a button down shirt. I button it up and put it on top of it. You all look at it. I love the fit, and this is where the twist is going to come in. I told you that I brought the shorts and the top, the two pieces, I brought them back at the end of this video. Yes, so what I did, I put the two-piece top on top of the white shirt, and I switched up my footwear and make it more casual and make it more chic, make it more stylish. For some reason, I love the way I twisted this at the end of the video. Yes, ladies, this is how you can elevate the two pieces the two pieces shorts that you have in your closet for summer. Ladies, please do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.